How to contact Remitly customer service. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can contact Remitly customer service, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to visit your account, that is logging into your Remitly account. On the home page, you can see tabs such as send money, transfer history, refer friends, etc. Once you can see this, move to the right side of the screen, click on the welcome address. In the box displayed, you can see options like settings, redeem offer, help, sign out. Click on help, and then you'll be taken to the helps page. On this page, you can now go ahead and ask your questions. All right, you can see the right up which says how can we help. So now here you can go ahead and ask your question, because there are some articles has been written already that addresses certain issues on the Remitly app. So by the time you ask your questions, if it's available, if answers are available, it will be displayed to you. Then if you cannot get what you're looking for, scroll down to the lowest part of the screen, and then you can see two other options, which include the chat option and then the phone call option. So just click on the chat option, and then once you've clicked on that, by the right side of the screen, you can see that the chat box will be displayed, and then your first name and last name as well as your email will be displayed. Then click on start chatting, and then go ahead and ask your question. All right. Once you ask your questions, answers will be provided, and you'll be directed on what to do. Another option is for the call. All right. You can just decide to click on call and then call this number to get your answer. So this is how it works. Okay. This is how you can contact customer support on Remitly. Thanks for watching and have a good day.